Welcome to Bestusefultips. Here I will show you how to factory data reset Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. Pull down notification panel at the top, tap on a setting gear icon, scroll down and tap on a general management. Scroll again, tap on a reset. Here you can see factory data reset option. Tap on it. It will reset your phone to factory default setting. It will delete all data including the Google account, system app, the downloaded apps, music, picture. Scroll down. Now tap on a reset. Now all your personal information download apps will be deleted. Tap on a delete all. When you tap delete all, it will remove all your phone data and reset to factory default. Make sure backup your important data before delete all data in your device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.